Dear Lasanians, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in third semester. I hope you're all doing fine. Class 8 Social Studies. I'm your SST teacher and today we will start with day 2 and 3 working. Reading page number 26, chapter number 5, The British Raj, Bartanvi Raj. The British East India Company was growing in power on the subcontinent. They began to exclude, means bahar nikalna, the Indians from key positions at court and in the military. They were plundering lootmar Bengal by demanding huge amounts of money and privileges, means istihqaq, for its traders. They taxed landowners heavily and unduly, rewarded their favorites to their loyalty to the British. The Bengal merchants means tajir, were being cheated out of their profits while the British merchants grew wealthier. A deep resentment, narazgi, of the British was building up among the Indians. Many historians argue that the British ruled the subcontinent with arrogance, takabbur, and insensitivity to the local culture. They attempted to Europeanize the Indian culture by bringing in too many reforms, islahat, in a very short time. They made damaging decisions about the Indian economy. For example, they destroyed the Indian hand weavers who were famous for their fine cloth all over the world. On one hand, they imposed lagu karna heavy taxes on the weavers, which they could not pay without raising their prices. On the other hand, they flooded the markets with their own factory made cheap cloth. This caused the hand weavers to go out of business and millions of them were forced to earn their living as laborers, means mazdoor. A new gun was introduced in the army that used cartridges that had to be greased before loading. This grease came from two sources: pig fat, which was unclean for Muslims, or cow fat, which was unacceptable to the Hindus. Both parties voiced their protests, but they went unheard. Widespread unrest on this issue and the underlying Indians' dissatisfaction with British rule culminated Ikhtitam Pazir in action in Meerut near Delhi. Now we will start our day 3 working. Unit number 5, words meaning. First word is defaulted, कोताही करना, underlying, बुनियादी, triggered, मुतहर्रिक, culminated, इख्तिताम पजीर, exclude, खारिज बाहर निकालना, plunder means लूट मार, privilege इस्तेहकाक, unduly गैर ज़रूरी तौर पर, resentment नाराज़गी, resistance मुज़ाहमत, formidable ज़बरदस्त, refrain परहेज, arrogance तकब्बुर, revolt बगावत, resort means सहारा लिया, massacre कत्लेआम, abolish खात्मा करना, cripple अपाहिज, and last word is rebelled बगावत करना. Page number 29, question answers. Our first question is, who was Hyder Ali? What role did he and Tipu Sultan play in India's struggle for freedom? Answer is, Hyder Ali was the ruler of Mysore, Mysore. Hyder Ali and his son Tipu Sultan were the first to realize the intentions of the British and pioneered the independence struggle. The father and son are considered the first freedom fighters for India. Second question is, discuss the merits and demerits of British rule in India. Merits. First point is development of transport. Second point is development of communication services. Third point is new irrigation systems. Now, demerits are number one, removal of Indians from key jobs. Second point is high rates of taxation on local farmers, weavers, and other craftsmen to keep them out of business. Third point is unjustified punishments. Fourth point is making English the local language, thus denying justice and education to all. That's all for today, students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.